Hello, my name is Albert. I'm here to talk to you about the polar bear, eh? The polar bear is the largest land carnivore in the world. The polar bear is at the top of the food pyramid and is a symbol for life in the polar ice caps. The polar bear roams the South Pole as it rules its habitat. The polar bear survives on fish and seals as its source of food. An adult male polar bear weighs between 700 to 1,500 pounds, while a female weighs about half that. Polar bear's life expectancy is about 25 years old. Now here is the problem with the polar bears. Their numbers are dwindling. The issue isn't the amount of fish and seals. There are plenty of fish in the sea, eh? The issue is that global warming is causing the polar ice caps to melt and limiting the amount of land that the polar bears have to roam and occupy. It also doesn't help when hunters are allowed to pay up to $27,000 just to have the opportunity to hunt polar bears. Now you at home may ask, why must we save these polar bears, eh? Polar bears are vital to the ecosystem. They run the Arctic and are at the top of the food chain. Here in Canada, it is estimated that solving the polar bear problem would cost around $6.3 billion. Now that number seems daunting, but all of us combined could solve this problem. Just all of us together in this problem. Eh? Now my partner Bustin and I have come up with a plan to save these unique bears. We call it the solution to the problem of the endangered polar bears. The plan is to begin a captive breeding system where we can breed polar bears at specific locations. Like here at the Toronto Zoo, right over there. Also, we have collaborated with PETA, and they are sponsoring us to initiate our procedures. We plan to safely collect a bunch of polar bears and start breeding them initially. We figured that, I've drawn up a plan of the polar bears. This is what it looks like. Here is the South Pole, right? Polar bears, PB, polar bears. We plan to capture them and move them across to Canada in the Toronto Zoo, where we will start breeding them. And then we'll grow, and there will be more polar bears in the world. So that's the plan. We figured that it would be substantially harder to stop global warming from melting the ice, so we thought that this was the best way to go, eh? We hope that in 5 years the population of polar bears worldwide will increase dramatically and that this problem will go away. Thank you very much for your time, eh?